I've used the same script as far back as I can remember. But when I moved to Florida, it just wasn't hitting in the same way. It wasn't that short, sweet, to the point New York stuff is the best way to put it. So I made some tweaks. There's nothing wrong with tweaks. The new tweak that I made is the intro. It's basically the intro. Hi, my name is Aaron. I'm sure I'm the 17th. Now, you always have to have an odd number, by the way. Odd numbers, for some reason, they're believable. And you just kind of guess which number you're going to use. I use 17. I use 27. I use 3,963, whatever that is. Hi, my name is Aaron. I'm sure I'm the 17th realtor to call you about Main Street. I don't want to waste your time, yet can I ask you a quick question? Now, notice when I said that, I don't want to waste your time. Real quick, yeah, can I ask you a quick question? And then you do the upswing. Then they say, sure. Now, keep in mind, 7 out of 10 times, they're going to say, what's the question? 3 out of 10 times, they're going to hang up, and I'm okay with those numbers. So they say, sure. How in the world did that home not sell? How in the world did that home not sell? Then they're going to give you blah, 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 yada, 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 yakety, whatever, go, go, go. Then what I'll say is, well, if you could still sell, would you sell? Then we go in for the close. So the thing is we've got to keep in mind as things work, they're kind of, seasonal, cyclical, whatever you want to say, that things change. You need to change with it. When you find a script that is not working, you need to test new things to see what could happen. This script right here, this change of 2 sentences, I took 2 listings from it, expired listings from doing it. I set 3 appointments. I actually have 1 today, 1 tomorrow, and 1 on Friday. So when something is not working, take the time, evaluate it, mess with it, change it up, because there's definitely more ways to get things done than one way.